In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate PDF pages. If you've ever opened a PDF and found a page sideways or upside down, this quick walkthrough will help you fix the orientation so your document looks clean and professional. We'll keep things simple and stick to the essentials while sharing a few helpful tips along the way. First, open the Rotate PDF tool on Smallpdf. This is a web-based tool, so you can use it right from your browser without installing anything. Just head to the official Smallpdf website and find the Rotate PDF option. For the smoothest experience, use a modern browser and make sure your internet connection is stable, especially if your file is large. Next, upload or drag and drop your PDF file. If you prefer, click to browse and select the file from your computer, or simply drag the file into the upload area. Give it a moment to load. Larger documents may take a bit longer. A quick tip here. If you're working on an important document, keep an original copy saved separately so you can always go back to it if needed. Once your PDF is open in the tool, click the rotate icons to adjust page orientation. You'll see a visual preview of your pages. Use the rotate buttons, typically shown as curved arrows, to turn pages 90 degrees at a time. Keep clicking until each page is correctly aligned. You can rotate individual pages that are out of place or apply rotation across multiple pages if the entire document needs adjustment. Take a moment to zoom in on any page with small text or diagrams to confirm the direction is right. If you rotate too far, just click again to cycle back. There's no harm in a few extra clicks to get it perfect. When everything looks good, click Apply Changes. This finalizes your rotation and tells the tool to process your adjustments. Be sure you're satisfied before applying, as this step creates the edited version of your document. The tool will quickly process the file and get it ready for you. If anything doesn't look right after processing, you can always return to the tool and repeat the steps to make further tweaks. That's all there is to it. Open the Rotate PDF tool on Smallpdf, upload or drag and drop your file. Use the rotate icons to set the correct orientation, and then apply the changes. With these steps, you can fix sideways pages in just a minute or two and keep your PDFs easy to read and share.